guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday, December the 17th. Yes, 2020. We have here a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2027. I have already numbered that earlier. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count this. We have here 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is equal to 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 1 is 23, plus 2, again 25. What happened with the 24 publisher? Alright, so 25 printed digits. Alright, so is this a 3-star or a 4-star Sudoku? I do not know. Let me see if I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. The previous Sudoku, I have solved this in 60 minutes. Normally, for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. So, let's get started. In this big square, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And then 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then I think I cannot fill this yet. No, need to wait. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this column, so no 6 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes, 6 and the 4. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for a 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about... yeah, the 4 in this row, the 4 in the second row, so the row above, the only place for a 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5, 8 and 5, we see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, the 2 in this column, the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in the middle row, the 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 9 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. One box left in this row for the number 4. And then 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. Alright. How about 2. Alright. Let me see. 9, 7, 5. Alright. Yeah. How about 6, 4, and the 5 should be here. 6, 4, and the 6, 4, and the 7 should be here. No. Strange. Let me scan this puzzle. 6. Yes, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then then we have a pair here. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. Same story for the 5. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those 2 numbers are the 8 and the 7 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 9 in this last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for a 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark this. 1 number left in the third row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. column. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there and the 7 goes here. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 7 and 9. We have here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column, the column between the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the number 7 and 6, yeah, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for a 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be there 4. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, right? 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are not used. Yes, we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 5. So once more, and all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 5. All right. 1 number left in the third column for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. Yeah, 4 and 8, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, quicker than the third the Sudoku with 3 stars. So is this really a 4 stars? No, rather than a 2 stars. Yes. So you cannot tell this is a 4 stars Sudoku. No. So it's also not. You can also not tell the printed digits. The printed digits is also the same with the Sudoku with 3 stars. So you cannot tell the difficulty level, but I'm very pleased with the time for this Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you with the last Sudoku, because the third Sudoku I have solved this earlier. 2028. I have solved this earlier. So the last Sudoku I will solve will be 2029, a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.